kailangan galingan nyo po. iPad. Alright, so I think this land is done. Sa table po dapat. Good strategy, Miss Nen. Good start. Baka kambalyan, no? Ha? Alright, so let's check. Is it final, Ma'am Len? Alright, there it is. Now I'm gonna player number 1, player number 2, go! Yeah, I think for your size, ma'am, it should be twice. And player number 2 is done. Alright, so let's proceed to player number 3. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, player number 2, but is your good din po?
MJ.
It's MJ. Alright, so player number 3. If you want to use the balloon, no problem, ma'am. Balloon. Alright, done with player number 3. Let's proceed to player number 4.